Today we're going to be configuring roaming profiles on home folder. From my previous video where I did with the server, setting up the server, the domain. We're going to continue from that same. We go to the administrative tools tab. We go to Active Directory, users and computers. We go to computers. Open the set PC. We will go to properties. We go to delegations. We go to trust this computer for delegation to any service. We hit OK. We repeat this process for the other client machine. In fact, we will have to repeat this for all the client machines. Trust this computer for any delegation. Covers only. By OK. We go to users, new. Create a new user. This box will now open up and we create the username. For the first name, we're going to put, for this tutorial, I'm going to use my name. That's Rashid Mitchell. The user logon name here, I'm going to put awesome, because I am awesome. Next. Create a password. The password here is going to be the same password we have been using all the time. That's password, capital P, @ SS, W0RD. Repeat the password again. Now, user must change password at next logon. Normally what the administrator would do, they would set this password to be 123456 or something along those lines, a simple thing. So when the user now signs on, they're going to be able to change the password to whatever they want. User cannot change password means that they have to come to the administrator to get a new password. Alright, in my opinion, that takes way too much of time. Password never expires means that the password, well, never expires. And account is disabled for spammers, for people who just really serves no purpose, for things like that now. So we're going to click on password never expires, just for this tutorial only. We go forward, and the account has been created, so we click finish. So that we have completed this step, we're going to create the roaming folder and the home folder. So we're going to minimize this folder, open start, and we head to the computer. We access the local disk C. We're going to create two folders here. One's going to be called the roaming profile. And the other is going to call home folder. I'm just going to name it home. Alright. What we want to do now is share these two folders. Share. Everyone. Add. Now we're going to give these now the co-owner options so everyone can access it. I'm going to leave the administrator there for now. So you're going to make this one a co-owner and we're going to share it. Done. And we're going to repeat this process for the home folder. Everyone add. And make this a co-owner, share. Done. Okay, so you're now going into the advanced sharing option, which is in properties. You go to sharing, advanced sharing, you go into permissions. You see these boxes ticked here already, right? Gives it full control, change, read and stuff. Right, that's what the co-owner does. So you're just gonna click OK here. Okay, now you have to configure the profile here now. So you get your profile, and you go into the properties, you go to profiles, the profile path here now, you go to where you created the folder, you go to the home folder here, or the home folders, the roaming profile properties, the sharing, and this is the address. You copy it here, and now you copy and paste into the tab here, and you're going to do a backslash percent username percent. Make it even easier, copy, go to connector for the home folder, and you change Roman profile to home. Click apply, say name changes to awesome, and you click OK. Now is the fun part. So to test to see if this is working, we're going to start by going into computer. As you can see here, the drivers, you're seeing the shared folders that we just set up. So now if we were to, for example, let's test something on the desktop here. Create a new folder and mark it test. And inside of this folder, we add a new text document. And we name this document text. We give the text a little content. We save it. And now we go back to computer. We open the folder and we add a new folder. We name this folder testing. Now if this has all been configured correctly, I should be able to sign in. Now this is Windows Vista here. I should easily be able to sign in on Windows 8. I enter my account. I access the desktop. And I should see the folder here in tested. Now I'm not sure why it's not showing up the desktop folder. I think that's something to do with Windows, with the Windows 7 itself. That is just being retarded. So I'm going to edit out something here now and add more content to this. I'm going to save it. And if it shows up on this other side here, then it is true. Oh, what do you know? Windows 8 sucks. That concludes my rooming profile and home folder.